Morning world. I'm off to go for a medical checkup. I had to fast last night. I'm okay. Not exactly very hungry, but I don't know how long the medical will take. And I think by then I might get hungry. Ooh. Halo. An accident just happened there. That van hit an Alphard. Oops. Off to the medical at Raffles Hospital. Blood test time. Oh, got to zoom in here.
Okay, I'll start now, sir. 1, 2, 3, breathe
Okay.
in. Okay,
So
open now
that's,
your hands, sir.
Okay.
Alright.
So that's a vacuum tube thing.
Yes, sir.
Check it out.
You okay?
Yeah. Can you see? Just done with my x-ray, and they actually provide buffet breakfast here for people who finished and had to fast the night before. Yanting was googling at your meeting partner.
I'll bet. Then why you oogling? This guy got Evan ready, let's see like that.
Hey yo! I sent Aaron the link.
Can you not?
Are you watching this, Aaron?
Aaron, you better be careful.
Back in the office from the medical center. Have to go back there later. Food in medical center was crap. Very bland. And yeah, have to go back for some follow-up thing because found some events. Can you stop looking at me like talking to the camera by myself? Yes. I'm back at the hospital for a follow-up consultation from the medical that I did this morning. Probably something about my blood. Yeah. Finished the consultation. Everything is okay. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle.
Are you gonna watch? Hey!
We are at Raffles Place. Yeah, that's where we are, Raffles Place.
We're actually late, so
Don't say
I don't know
that.
why we
Alright, so we are here at 1 George Street for the exclusive preview of the Great Room. These are telephone booths where you get to make your phone calls
Oh wow, check
in a
it
conducive
out.
environment.
Whoa. Look at that. Oh, it's quite quiet. Say something. This out. This is a meeting room, man. Very woody corridors.
Yeah, it's a lockers. And then these are like
Wow.
hot desking meeting rooms. So basically you can like
Have conference calls
book
and.
online and then they will deduct like credits from like your online from the online
Oh
system.
wow.
So yeah, so it's not like a permanent office.
Nice.
The office like
Oh, in case we left it out, it's an hospitality themed co-working space, this place.
yeah.
Very
so,
nice. Come on over. What a lovely place. Very, very posh. Also, let's treat you to a rather nice time-lapse video after this. Street for the preview of the great room.
Retake, take two.
We are at 1 George Street for the preview opening.
exclusive review of
Alright, let's do it again. We are at 1 George Street for the exclusive I'm sorry guys. We are at 1 George Street for the exclusive Okay, I tell you what, you do it.